circular economy is no longer a buzzword. It has to be a part of our business dictionary. If we are 7.6 billion people today, consider what will happen if we start consuming at the same rate when we are 10 billion people on this earth. I am trying to explore this problem in this video. Do share your comments after watching it. To begin with, we have to think about our consumption. We have to consume less, or at least the appropriate amount. The amount of food wastage that we do right now on this planet, not you and me, but everybody, is of biblical proportions even today. And consider what will happen if the population is increasing at the current rate. Certainly the consumption patterns, the food wastage is tied to our consumption patterns. We buy extra, then it sits at our house, it rots, we have to throw it away. Or we get lured because of the buy one get one free type offers, and then we buy in huge numbers and don't consume it, and we have to just throw it away. And it is not just about the food waste, it comes along with its packaging as well. So as an engineer, what solutions can we think about it? I think I had heard Mr. Ratan Tata speak at some event, and some young engineer had asked that, what do you think is a viable business in the future? And he had he gave a very immediate answer, and that was solid waste management. If somebody can find a way or a very viable solution to take care of our waste right where we generate it, it will be like that person or that company will have to be given a Nobel Prize for that. It is of that scale. So what can an engineer like me or an engineering mind like me, what solutions come to my mind? So first thing is, the food thing, I'm not an expert, and I can't really say how to reduce its waste. But the packaging part, certainly there is, we can find innovative ways of packaging our food. Certainly the materials can be reusable or upcycled, or they can be easily biodegradable. Second, we can use packaging, the design can be such that the end of life is already thought while designing the packaging. So for example, your detergent packaging or your talcum powder packaging, the manufacturers can say that we'll take it back and give you some rebate on that. Some sort of such business processes need to be worked out. The food part also, the garbage part, engineers need to find a very compact and a very incinerator type of solution which can be installed in your house, and so the garbage that you or a household creates, that can be disposed of where in your house itself. Solutions like these need to be worked out, and they need to be worked out fast.